Alright, so today we're unboxing the Wrangler bumper from Wrangler. So inside we got the bumper, and we got the hardware. Nuts and bolts you'll need, and also these look like the D-rings. So go here and here. Alright, I'm going to start off by removing this tab on the bumper, this tab on the bumper to get rid of this, and to disconnect this light that I have, and also disconnect my fog lights. Let's go ahead and remove the grill. I have a safety lock on my Jeep. For those of you that don't know how to remove the grill, you're gonna need to remove this tab, this one, this one, this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs, and then you just pop it out. You also need to remove your blinkers. So if you pull on this tab right here, unclip the clip back. Like so, pressure, and it should unclip. And now you're ready to remove your grill completely. Now I'm using this to remove the 4 bolts in the back of the bumper. It's going to be an 18mm socket. I'm also going to put an extension on it to get it to reach into those hard to reach places. Let me show you where the 4 bolts are that you'll need to remove. So if you go from behind the bumper, you see 1, 2, three, 4. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Now you gotta look in your hardware, find the small nut, or I mean the small bolt, washer nut lock, and the washer. These two are going to be used to connect this piece to the bumper. Now I'm going to use a 14mm to bolt up the bolts that I just showed you. Tighten this piece up. Alright, so now you're gonna need the big washer, the lock nut washer, and this nut. That's gonna go, there's 6 of them. They're gonna go right behind the bumper on 3 on each side, along with the big bolt with the lock nut washer and the regular washer. Let me show you where those go that I just showed you. Right up there is where this bolt is gonna go. And again, that's washer, lock nut, and so you're gonna repeat this process on 1, 2, 3, and there's 3 more on that side. Finish tightening these bolts. You're gonna need a 19mm socket. Before you finish tightening up all 8 of these bolts and nuts, make sure you put on your grill first. I found that I tightened them up a little bit and I found that it was really hard to put on the grill. So make sure you put on the grill before you put on the bumper, and then proceed. So I had bought this adapter a while back that connects from the fog lights, and this used to connect to one of my old fog lights. Now I'm going to cut this like I did here so I can connect this to that, and I'm going to wire it so I could use these as my fog lights. So when I turn on my fog lights, these lights will come on also. So I ended up connecting the wires. I used tape for now. Did both sides. Lights are working. And now I'm gonna connect these. Alright, so now these wires come from this light and this one. I zip tied them together so it's easier for me to do my connection with a wire I already had here from when I had the 12-inch LED bar. So I'm gonna reuse this wire, and I'll be back when I'm done. So I made my connection. I bought these connectors online also. So this connects to that, which run to each light. And I put the male end on the wire that runs to my switch panel box. Now I tested the connection. They are working. Now I just gotta hide the wires. Alright, so when everything is wired up, make sure you put your 6 tabs back on your grill. And also don't forget to reconnect your blinker. Connect the clip back in. Alright, so the bumper is all done. All the lights are working. All I need to do is just put in the D-rings right here. That's it. All my wiring is done. Bolts nice and tight. And that's it.